In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams. Let's start by getting to the right place in Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and head to the channel or chat where you want to share your presentation. Choosing the correct space matters because that's where your file will live and where your teammates will find it later. Channels are great for team-wide visibility, while chats work well for smaller groups or one-on-one sharing. At the top of your channel or chat, click the Files tab. This tab shows everything that's already been shared in that space and keeps your content organized. It's a good idea to name your PowerPoint clearly before you upload it so others can quickly recognize the latest version. Now click Upload, then choose Files, and select your PowerPoint file with the .ptx extension from your computer. Give the upload a moment to finish. If your presentation is large, it may take a bit longer, and it helps to have the file closed on your computer while it uploads to avoid conflicts. Once the upload completes, click the file to open it right inside Teams. You'll be able to move through slides and, if editing is allowed, make quick changes without leaving the app. This is especially helpful when you're collaborating, because everyone can stay in the same workspace and see updates in real time. If you want to present the deck in a meeting, join or start your meeting, then click Share. Choose the PowerPoint option and select your file from the recent list or pick Upload from My Computer if it's not already in Teams. Presenting this way uses PowerPoint in Teams, which can make your delivery smoother. You can keep your notes handy, advance slides at your own pace, and, depending on your settings, let participants navigate the deck themselves or keep them on the slide you're showing. Finally, remember that your team's ability to view or edit the presentation depends on the permissions in that channel or chat. In many teams, members can edit by default, but your organization's policies may differ. If you need viewers only, make sure your sharing settings reflect that before you start collaborating, and let your audience know how you'd like them to interact with the file. And that's it. You've uploaded your PowerPoint, opened it in Teams, and learned how to present it in a meeting, all while keeping permissions in mind so the right people have the right level of access.